Hello guys and welcome back to another trade recap. Today it is Tuesday, no trades yesterday, that's why I didn't upload a video. And also, as you can see, no trades today. But however, I decided to do a little recap of the day, since I ended up missing a long that I feel like I maybe should have taken. Also a long here that I didn't take. So I'll walk you guys through the day and why I didn't take the trades. So coming into the day, I was kind of bearish right here, but then we respect this pre-market. We put in this double SMT, which I hadn't realized really. That's one of the reasons why I missed this move up. But yeah, CPI data, it was CPI today, came out right here. So we have data low, came out very positive, so that's why we shot up. Once that came out, I was very certain we were gonna take all-time high today. So the drawn liquidity was quite clear. Also, kind of a bit why I'm upset I didn't take the long. So then coming into open, I saw this move as possibly manipulation down to then go up at open. We had this SMT right here with ES, since ES didn't sweep, so we had one SMT there, and also one SMT right here since ES didn't sweep, so double SMT off, and also a 1 minute AMD. As you can see, we accumulate right here and we manipulate down at open, very clear, and then we make the distribution to the upside. So I did see this in real time, but again I was too scared to enter. Entry was very high up. It was very close to open 3 minutes after. I wasn't that sure where we were gonna go, so I didn't enter. And as you can see, this wouldn't have been a TP trade either. Maybe if I had partials here, but probably wouldn't. Just TP all-time high and TP1 here, TP2 all-time high. So it would have just been a BE trade at best. This short right here I didn't catch, since for this short I would have wanted to see us make an SMT right here where one of the assets sweep this high. We didn't, and also it's quite scary to a short when we haven't taken all-time high and it's a very strong magnet. But we did get this 1 minute SMT right here since ES didn't sweep, and then a big move down, but that wasn't enough for me. We made assist and then we moved down, and here comes a long. I was waiting for a long right here. I wanted to see data low sweep at least. I said to myself, okay, data low sweep with an SMT, and I'm wanna try longs after that if we make assist. But I didn't enter, because once we went a lot below it, I wanted more to see Asian and London low get swept, and that was kind of where I went wrong, since we don't really have to sweep them. Once we have already made these SMTs, they should hold for it to be bullish. And here is when it comes to like just intuition and things like that, because some can see, okay, we're going down, we want to sweep this, then I want to catch along, and some can say, okay, we don't need to sweep this. It's just based on what your beliefs are, which makes it hard, in my opinion. And I just wasn't too confident. We went down, reacted in this 5 minute order block right here. We almost hit the 0.5 level, so we reacted in this order block, yep. And I didn't see that order block. I don't really use order blocks that much, but it is actually a really nice order block, since it's an order block that has an SMT with a protected low. And as I said before, my bias was bullish. Even when we made this move down, I was bullish. I thought it was clear manipulation down to take out longs, since if the data is good and inflation is going down, why would we not go up? It doesn't really make sense. So I was bullish. And I saw that, okay, we came down. I just was focused on sweeping these, since I was afraid that anything before these sweeps would just be a move up to then move down and take out longs, early longs. So I didn't take it, and there also wasn't really that clear of a cyst. This could be seen as the last leg of manipulation down, but I would have wanted to see maybe at least a resweep that put in a close by SMT, since here we only had this SMT. So we go down, then we inverse this and also create a down candle within the uptrend, which we then break above, which it isn't really a cyst, but it's a change of momentum, I would say. And that this also being with inverse bearish shows that bullish order flow is starting. And here you could have jumped into the 30-second, seen this inverse, and here it's quite clear, since you can see where do I have it? Right here. Okay, so we go down, make this fair value gap, go up, inverse it, go down, sweep out this low right here, and we respect the bullish to then make a cyst and a bullish fair value gap. So let's mark out these. Okay, so we have the bearish fair value gap, we go down. Let's see if it actually, right here. Let's go into the 30-second here, because there might be something interesting. I didn't see this in real time. I didn't use the 30-second this time, since I only used the 30-second for confirmation if we're in a very probable zone for a reverse, in my opinion. Like if we sweep very important liquidity, then I can jump in 30-second. Other than that, I don't really want to, since it's easy to get fooled. But let's see, we did have some sort of SMT that candle at this candle, since NQ swept this and ES didn't. So, but I don't know if that's paying attention to little detail, since this happens like all the time. But yeah, so we go down, make this bearish, we inverse it, then we go up, create this hidden order block, we respect it. After respecting it, we make the cyst right there, which also creates a fair value gap. And this is where I had my entry then. I have my entry because this shows, at least in the low time frames, that we are making bullish order flow. And I don't know if I would have had my TP up here realistically in if I was a live trade, maybe like right here. But yeah, either way, it was quite a good setup. I would say it was A+. You could have also waited, since here we make the inverse of the 2 minute. Yeah. So yeah, that was the long I saw today and didn't take, unfortunately, and it would have hit TP. But it is what it is, you just need to learn from it, and I'm hoping to do better tomorrow and be more focused on the charts. And yeah, just react to the market, to what it's showing me. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.